That's cleanly struck. 4-6 for Rohit Sharma. 6. Oh, that's big. Into the crowd for 6. 5-5-4 now. The leading six-hitter.
He is.
Now that is gigantic. It's humongous. Whatever term you want to use, whatever adjective you want to use, it fits the bill.
Convincingly.
And again, makes it look so easy. Look at it.
It's gone flying into the stand. Short ball, always a dangerous tactic against Rohit Sharma. Rohit's gone for it. That's going to be 6.
Striker at the ball, Rohit Sharma. What a statement he's making. Lays that 6. That is beautifully played by Rohit Sharma. Picked up the length early and didn't have plenty of time. And did it for a gigantic one.
Well, a toss. And that will just be belted into the sea of blue.
He's hooked him at it. In the top of the stars.
On the charge, and boy, that's gone a long way. Is he going to come out blasting? You bet he is. So easy. That is just so nonchalant.
There he goes again. That is just magnificent from India's skipper. Rohit Sharma goes over mid-wicket.
That is classic Rohit Sharma. You pitch it up, you go for 4, you drag it down, you go for 6. Down the pitch, down the ground. Willie doesn't even turn round because that's the second 6 of the over.
Picks it up and picks it up beautifully.
Not if he rolls there. Not if he rolls there because that is a pickup shot that brings up the 50. Served up for him once again by Lumisani and Gini.
Because when he puts the ball up, it's applicable second tier. I think that's 6. I just think it's 6. They might have a review of this.
Wow! This is a knockout game and he's charged one of the best bowlers in the world. Right, there's a fielder there. There's a fielder there. He's coming underneath it. Been happy playing that shot, and the reason he's happy is he deposits it far, far and deep into the Wankhede Stadium. Into the stands once again.
Oh, he's belted that. The first one didn't carry to the man in the deep. This has carried all the way into the crowd. Floaty, put in the slot and put into the crowd from Rohit Sharma.
That's high. That's so high. And it's so far.